Hello, my name is Sunhee Joo. I'm a Korean-American artist in Los Angeles. I would like to introduce my art in this video. Thank you. I am originally from Korea. I'm a Christian. I have a Master of Fine Arts degree from UCLA. Currently, I'm a digital artist. I use a Photoshop program and my studio is at home. This is my studio. I like to listen to music. I like to read and collect images. This is a station for collecting images. I collect images that touch me and inspire me to create. This is a station for sketching. Here, I do preliminary sketch for my final work. I use Sunhee ink, brush and rice paper. Sometimes I use watercolors too. This is how I work with my sketching materials: Sunhee ink, brush and rice paper. The title is Boy Reading Bible. I usually bring the rough sketch to computer, but I like the black and white image, so I kept as it is. Finally, this is my computer station. From the sketch I made, I developed the image, worked for colors and composition, and finished my artwork. The title of this work is A Girl with a Lamb. I am changing the position of her foot to fit the composition. I am using different tools in Photoshop program. My favorite subjects are people, nature, and the Bible, because I like nature and I am interested in people and I read Bible. During this pandemic, many people suffer and many people are tired. The father is cooling himself with his son. These days I take a walk regularly during the dusk. The light at this time calms me down. When I visit Israel, I felt the pain of Jesus at Gethsemane. I feel like one of the disciples who fell asleep. In conclusion, I create art to reach human heart and leave something there. I hope that is a good one. If you would like to see more images, please visit my website. Thank you for watching. Please be safe and healthy.